Ahmedabad. The nation's economic development is powered by competitiveness. Now, competitiveness is powered by, you all agree, national economic development is powered by competitiveness. Now, competitiveness is powered by knowledge power. Competitiveness is powered by knowledge power. Knowledge power is powered by, can you imagine? Now, if you simply don't be sitting, respond to me. Knowledge power is powered by yes, technology and innovation. Knowledge power is powered by technology and innovation. Now, technology and innovation powered by, this you should know. Technology innovation is powered, otherwise it will be in cupboard if it is not, is powered by resource investment. Technology and innovation will be in cupboard unless technology innovation powered by resource investment. Then only it will come out of a cupboard. Resource investment is powered by, this you should know. Resource investment is powered by return on investment. Right? Yes or no? The return on investment. Now, return on investment is powered by revenue. How much you get back. Now, revenue is powered by volume and repeat sales. How many policy went out of you every year? The revenue is powered by volume and repeat sales. Volume and repeat sales is powered by customer loyalty. Customer loyalty, whoever sells better in a competitive world. Volume and repeat sales powered by customer loyalty. Now, customer loyalty is powered by, yes, very good, by quality and value of products. In a competitive world, customer loyalty is powered by quality and value of products. A man pays a certain policy amount, how much he gets. For the same amount, competitively, how much he gets outside. So, revenue is powered by volume and repeat sales. Volume and repeat sales is powered by customer loyalty. Customer loyalty is powered by quality and value of products. Value of products, when you return the money for the insurance policy, how much benefit he gets. Value of products. Quality and value of products powered by employee productivity innovation. Your employee productivity and innovation. You must welcome the innovation, the people who are working with you. Employee productivity is powered by quality and value of products powered by employee productivity and innovation. Innovation you have to encourage in your organization. Employee productivity is powered by employee loyalty. If you loyal to you, you will go all out. You will give great ideas. Employee loyalty is powered by employee satisfaction. Employee satisfaction. We are a beautiful air-conditioned place. But your employee also should have nice places to work. See, employee loyalty. Employee loyalty is powered by employee satisfaction. Employee satisfaction is powered by working environment. Working environment not only top officers, for all the people. Employee satisfaction is powered by working environment. Working environment is powered by management innovation. Working environment is powered by management innovation. Now, management innovation powered by creative leadership. Now, where did I start? I started economic development of the nations powered by competitiveness. I landed here, management innovation is powered by creative leadership. One side economic development, another side creative leadership. I try to connect both of them. Is the connection, you agree? This connection very important. Now, with this friend, with this background, you have a mission of LIC. It's worthwhile to study the mission of LIC. LIC started which year, sir? 1956. So it's worthwhile to study the mission of LIC, which is to ensure and enhance the quality of life of the people by providing financial security and also venturing into the field of economic development by making available resources for productive development and products and services useful and essential for society. But you give to the government of India, probably they are supposed to do that. This study should enable provision of additional products and services to the citizen, taking the dynamics of development into account, such as increase in the life expectancy of the population. Now whatever you had designed 1956 is not relevant because our life has increased. People started living, and my brother is going to come to from Rameshwaram is coming, by flight is coming to Delhi in real summer is coming. He's 98. Nobody will insure him. 98 and nobody insures him. Only you are the young fellows you have to insure. Okay? But he doesn't care, doesn't matter. So the essence, the study should enable provision of additional product and services to the citizen, taking in the dynamics of development to account, such as increase in the life expectancy of the population. That is a fact of life. In essence, the renewed mission should enable fulfillment of the expectation and aspiration of the people of India, particularly the economically and socially disadvantaged section of the society. This question you have to ask yourself. You see, policy you can give to everybody. The question is, out of 600 million people who live in the rural area, 70% of the people, not 600, 70 people in the rural area, how many policies they have taken? You have to ask yourself. How many policies? Probably recently some movement is there. So in essence, the renewed mission should enable fulfillment of the expectation and aspiration of the people of the country, particularly the economically and socially disadvantaged section of the society. This can be achieved by developing a unique insurance product specifically directed towards the rural India. All this introduction I am giving, please keep rural India the great India. 750 million people, life is very important. They give the food for us. 260 million tons of food, the vegetable you take in Bombay, all coming from rural portion of Maharashtra. Now friends, next area I thought of touching the growth in LIC business. The resources available to the corporation, LIC corporation, through its operation have been gainfully deployed to the development of a vital and crucial sector to the nation's economy, because you give to the government is supposed to deploy. Namely, because you don't have a directly feeding. I don't know whether you directly feed, namely housing and infrastructure, power, irrigation, water supply, rural development through providing urban amenities in the rural area, and road, port, bridges, railways and telecom. Truly enough, the LIC's motto underscores the principles underlying the nation building in all its progressive manifestation. You got a fantastic thoughts. Now, I felt I must tell this, injecting positive dynamism through risk coverage. Security in the facet of life today is the primary prerequisite that impels an individual and the society to push forward to get to the heights of the social and economic prosperity. Feeling of insecurity would totally dampen any enthusiasm to move forward and would certainly act as a negative factor in inhibiting growth, nipping initiative in the bud. In such a scenario, the contribution being made by the LIC to nullify such negativities and injecting a positive dynamism in the lives of millions of people in the country can be overemphasized. I'm happy to note that the corporation continuously engaged in exploring more and more avenues for its meaningful operation so as to fulfill the noble mission called for it in the national social economic spectrum. Further special schemes are being envisaged for immediate implementation that will bring meaning and depth of the sustenance of poorer class of society, even encompassing the health sector. I wish LIC total success in these ventures. Friends, I personally believe if 600,000 villages what we have in India, the LIC you must analyze. You take 100 villages, study how many policies 100 villages, what the population. What is the type of a profession they do? Is it agriculture or tourism or craftsmanship or no work? What is the type of spectrum it is there? Then these 100 villages, your own division should take, take care of 100 division, 100 villages, and try to see whether you can use the physical connectivity, electronic connectivity, knowledge connectivity, so that you can give economic connectivity. They have certain base. Villages have got, definitely have got certain base. Then for example, if you go to a village, I am also coming from a village. If you go to a village, there is a temple. Near the temple, there will be a water tank. Go deep into the water tank, you will find it desilting has not been done for many decades. Just one action of desilting the water tank near the temple or in villages, multiple, and connecting them, even a small rain comes, it will get filled up. Then all the well get filled up because of your tanks got filled up. And immediately you find greenery comes in here. And your life starts. Such a beautiful thing was to do. These are all beautiful missions. But you cannot say it's an economic mission. But it's a beautiful mission. Since you got a beautiful policy, you are encouraging the life policy. Beautiful things you have to encourage in life. Your motto should be, what can I give? What can I give? What can I give? So each division, how many divisions you have, sir? 112. Imagine each division takes 100 villages. You will do miracles. Okay, sir. Now, the other area my friends talk about it, about life insurance, not only your company, the other companies also, life insurance companies. Now, promptness in service. Let me discuss another aspect. It's good to provide security to the individuals against the uncertainties of life. But the actual test of the success consists in ensuring that the deliverables as envisaged in the policies are delivered to those entitled to receive them well in time and with inadequate measure without lot of correspondence. Because today you have internet is there, your mobile telephone is there, all the files you can get it off. Make mobile very busy fellow, mobile telephone, you are smart in a mobile telephone, hundreds of files will vanish, all policies inside your mobile. Of course you must have a code, secret code you must have. So any delay in this would be totally counterproductive and in my view tantamount to committing a sin if you don't pay at the right time. I am saying this as a note of caution so that we who owe to the society to do our duty in time and true to the spirit of the mission enjoined to us so that noble ideals set forth by us for us achieved meaningfully in full on time. After hundreds of correspondence, if the policy gets realized, what the use? In the internet world, in the mobile world. So friends, now I am going to conclude with one point. What worked yesterday will not work today. What worked yesterday, 1950s you started. Now you are 2015. So what worked yesterday will not work today. I want to give you some example. First I would like to share with you a message. A message that connects mind, resource, personality, team and leader. Mind, resource, personality, team and leader. The leader of 21st century, present century, has a new dimension with knowledge. Most importantly, to work with integrity and succeed with integrity. 21st century leader, from the political leader to LIC leader, education leader, all have to work with integrity and succeed with integrity. Very difficult. Very difficult mission. But 21st century, whether it's America or China or India, the 21st century leader has to take a vow that I will work with integrity and succeed with integrity. Will you repeat with me if you don't mind? Will you repeat with me? Or you don't repeat? I will work with integrity and succeed with integrity. My home, make my home transparent home. Very tough job. Very tough job. So friends, what worked yesterday, I am coming to the point. What worked yesterday won't work today. I was studying a book. The book, you must read this book. Name of the book is Empires of the Mind. Empires of the Mind. By Dennis Waitley. Author's name is Dennis Waitley. Small paperback book. This book gives what type of the new world. Name of the book, Empires of the Mind. This book gives what type of new world which we are facing now. What was yesterday, what is today. I have modified certain points of the author to suit the discussion of today for LIC. I have also added a third line which relates to the action of the leadership. The book specially says that what worked yesterday won't work today. Now, when I study the whole book, the summary is like this. Role of leadership in knowledge society. You are all leaders. You are all leaders. LIC leaders of a knowledge society. Now, the first quality, a leadership quality, yesterday natural resources defined the power. Yesterday, natural resources defined the power. Today, can you guess? Today, this fellow. Today, knowledge is the power. Like Japan, or Singapore, or Korea, they don't have all the resources what India has got. They get from India raw material, including the people. So friends, but knowledge is the power. The higher your knowledge coefficient, Silicon Valley, our fellows are doing very well. You know, I don't know whether you are a LIC people, you know about it. The money the world receives money, many countries receive money. Various, our Indians who are working there, they are sending money to India. Per year, you know how much we get? Can you guess? $70 billion. Our fellows sweat. Our Indian fellows sweat in hundreds of countries results in $70 billion. We are the largest recipient of the money from outside. But it is all come out of not resources. This brain, sometimes hard work, body work, sometimes brain work. That's knowledge has become power. That means yesterday natural resources defined the power. Today knowledge is the power. Leadership, LIC leadership, should empower itself with knowledge. You should visualize, you virtually must see what is the type of competitive world you are going to face, LIC going to face. You don't sleep. You are different competitive world. They will package a beautiful products. They will take away your business. So the leadership should empower itself with knowledge. The second one, yesterday, hierarchy was the model. Yesterday, hierarchy was the model. The boss, top boss, next boss, next boss, next boss, next boss. Today, leaders empower the coach. Today, synergy is the mandate. Leadership will enable for intersection of the multiple faculties to the mission. Even a 30 or 35 years fellow, a creative fellow becomes the leader of the organization. Because creativity, his capital is creativity. Third one, yesterday, leaders commanded and controlled. Leader fellow is a commander. Today leaders empower and coach. See the leadership, 21st century leadership, leaders empower and coach. That means leadership will enrich itself through exposure to the needs of sustainable development. LIC should see in sustainable development environment what the role of LIC. Fourth point, yesterday shareholder came first. You all know about it. Today customer comes first. All the LIC policy holder, your customer. So they are the important people for you. Leadership should inculcate sensitivity to the needs of all the stakeholders. Yesterday employees took order. The boss will give orders. Today teams make decisions. Yesterday employees took order. Today teams make decisions. That means leadership will promote team spirit. Yesterday seniority signifies status. Yesterday